Welcome the our channel. Today we how to log into Roam Research, manage link notes step by step. To log into Roam Research, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Roam Research website by entering the URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, look for the login button in the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in the email address associated with your Roam Research account. Next, click on the button to continue or proceed to the password entry screen. Enter your password in the designated field. If you selected the option to remember your login, this step may be bypassed in future logins. Now, click the login button to access your account. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Roam Research homepage. Here, you can start managing your linked notes and enjoy the various features available. To create a new note, simply click on the designated area or use the command palette. You can link your notes by typing, followed by the note title. This will create a hyperlink to that note within your current document. To view linked notes, just click on the link, and it will take you to that specific note. Take advantage of tags to organize your notes effectively. By using the backlinks feature, you can see all notes that reference the current note. This allows for seamless navigation through your ideas and thoughts. If you need to log out, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select the logout option from the drop-down menu. You have successfully logged out of Roam Research. Keep your login information secure for future access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.